Yo. Oh, my camera, that would help things, right? Okay. Um, sorry, I was working on my website, trying to get this going. It's like shopping around, some boring stuff. Um, I'm gonna go with GoDaddy. Just going with their like cheapest plan, and has ads, whatever. I'm not making money from this yet, so I'm not gonna um worry about it too much. Um, So just want to like publish this real quick. There's a few things I want to do. Um, I don't know why it says Azure logo, upload media, link Facebook page. I think I have a Facebook page. I'm pretty sure I do, but might hold off on that. Gotta add links to social media. Let me add those links. Oh, cool. Yeah, it's got all this stuff. Let me see if Arrow Legend Studio Facebook. No, go away. Maybe it's not public yet. Oh, you know what? Probably better if I add some spaces here. Heroes Legend. Heroes. Yeah, it doesn't look like I can find it yet. I'll have to add it later. Whatever. Um. Okay. Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. Let me get my YouTube here. My YouTube channel. 505 subscribers. It's nice. I do plan on getting a LinkedIn too. I have a LinkedIn page. Let's see. And I want to establish all this stuff. Someone's offered me a scholarship for masters. It's like, why not? In business, why not, Why not? But let me see. I need to get better at using LinkedIn. I don't want to show anyone's like information. That's why I'm hiding this. Um, Need to update my resume still. I've updated a little bit, but not a whole lot. And where are my pages? Oh, here it is. So I'm not sure. Let me see if I can share this somehow on LinkedIn. On LinkedIn. Yeah, I don't know how to share this. Dashboard. How do I get university search engines will use? Okay. Okay, I got it. Let's see. Okay, LinkedIn, and then it's company. See if this works, or maybe it's just the company name. Done. Let me see if this worked. I think I had to publish it. Publish. Here's Legend Studios. Save and publish. And I have to just basic stuff, and no custom email. Actually, I don't know. Yeah, I just have a Gmail. So let me see. Studios. Nice, there it is. It's live. It's live. Nothing crazy. Nothing crazy. Then. Oh. Maybe it does require company. Let me see if I can. Oh well, okay. Right, let me go and edit that. And then I'll get back to the game dev stuff. But yeah, I think I'm going to spend more time working on the Facebook page, the Facebook page, my Facebook page, Blind Cat's Facebook page, our Instagram pages, all that social media stuff. Got to get really back into it, and yeah, just gotta get into it, you know. But let's go ahead and get back to some game dev. Let me know if there's any issues with hearing me. I'll put on some music. So far, none of my other videos have been flagged since I've been going through the lo-fi and like these. Oh my god, it's so loud. My bad. My bad. Hopefully that wasn't loud for y'all. Let me know if it's too loud. So far Stream Elements has been pretty good, so I like it. Okay. But I have been working on the game a little bit and just focused on like creating this state machine stuff. So almost all of it's been migrated except for the attacks. So I'm gonna focus on the boss real quick. It has the patrol state, the bash state, and I need to add a attack state, which the attack boxes will trigger. So again, create an empty and say attack box state. It's just gonna get a state scriptable, and then I need a new behavior. So I'm going to create a monoscript, and this is gonna be the attack. Well, this is gonna be like a because I want to reuse this behavior several times. Like, so the whole point of these behaviors is so this behavior is really just like it needs a target or a position, and it just goes. Really basic, kind of like a navigation. I'll call it like a move two. And then this fish navigation. Let me see. Oh. See, I wonder if I listen to Pandora, if it will flag it. It's no different than what YouTube's doing, right? What I'm playing on YouTube. Okay. Anyways, so all my behaviors, subclass from the behavior. I've updated some other things. I don't think I need all this stuff. Sure that didn't break anything. Oh. So yeah, there's the waypoint behavior. There's some other stuff like the stun behavior. Fish navigation, but I'm gonna keep that open. I need to go over the attack, and then I'll be pretty much done. I mean, I will be done, as far as I know. The attack. So state scriptable. I need to update these things too, but let me finish the behavior stuff, and then I gotta rename these files. And I hate renaming the files because if someone else is like, it might screw up someone else's project. I've seen it happen with Plastic, Unity version control. Other like YouTube stuff is still there. I need to work on. I want to work on some YouTube videos. I need to if I really want to push making money. Just I have content ideas. I'm just not doing it. So what am I doing? I hate that it says this. Not like I say, hey, create it. I would like just auto open it. But maybe people don't like that. That's video. State machine.
Meet Asana, a work management platform that helps companies get more done and save more time. Teams can stay connected while they track updates and visualize timelines. Asana, a smarter way to work. Try it for free today at asana.com.
move to. It should be giving like descriptions to like what all these behaviors do. So if someone like wants to use this class, they know what it does. But it's not really how Unity works because everything's like an object or script. It goes can't just like. I don't know why they never did something like that where you can just like hover over here and like gives you a description. Maybe it does. Maybe I just don't know. I don't think so. That'd be cool though. Receives a position to navigate game object, or say like to give direction to movement. I mean, I'm like a huge fan of Apple Docs, Docsy, and it's amazing. Like, I'm a big Mac Apple developer, so been doing that for years, and they do like working in Xcode. It's going to work in anything else. Kind of like I'm just like thrown back, and it's like, oh man, it's these other ones are missing so many features, but I'm also like not super familiar with them, so I'm sure there are like a lot more helpful like plugins that help with things. But all I'm saying is like Xcode's really good with a lot of things that Visual Studios just doesn't have out of the box. So every time I'm in Visual Studios, I think about these things that I can do in Xcode, but I don't. Yo, what's up, Dead Flame? This week has been so hectic, so I haven't been able to stream at all. But I've been working on the game a little bit. So this one, so one thing I need is the movement object, so I'm just gonna copy this. And then on awake, do this. I don't know why that's an override. Let's go awake. Nothing public. Okay. So this is for the attack. I'm trying to replace. So before it just communicated directly to the movement behavior and said, hey, this is where you're moving. But now it needs to pass that data so this is, I think, where things get a little bit weird. So this one's gonna say like go to. It's gonna say like go to state, but that state requires some data. Do I do this anywhere else? Oh, I have a fish attack. I don't think I used this one. Sorry. Have it off screen. Dead Flame, have you checked out RPG Makers yet? Have you been able to dive in? Let me know if the music's too loud. It might have been too quiet. Nip. I hear you, man. That's okay. Trying to see how get this target data. Let me just write it and then I can figure it out as we go.
Now you can save on Cox Internet when you add Cox Mobile, which means fiber-powered internet at home and unbeatable 5G reliability on the go. Do more without spending
the
more.
fish
Get Cox Internet for just $35 a month when you add Cox Mobile.
It says fish attack. How's the audio? Alright. Oh no, I didn't know you were unemployed. Glad you were able to get something. Home Depot? Nice. I used to work at Home Depot. I loved it. It's a cool place. I mean, I liked it. Then after I left, we go to the same Home Depot, and everybody would just like know me. But now, like the old Home Depot I used to work at, they like no one works there anymore that I used to know. Okay, so this is what all this is gonna do. It needs like a Unity event. Yeah, it needs a Unity event. Serial. And we call this one and this one is gonna be attack, I guess. I don't know. Whatever. And then this is stuff we can do on Awake. These are the things that and we're gonna start doing more. I'd rather have like try catch to actually catch these things. Say, hey, you know what, you don't have an attack call. So attack. Just be actually just do like if it equals null. But this is the one thing that I think the other one done. I should have saved that damn code. Overnight freight. Cool. Cool. It should be chill. Other than the hours, man. Like, you know, I'm sure it's not easy. Like, I used to work graveyard shift, and I loved it, but I don't know if I can do it now. I definitely like knock out. loved it because I would go shopping, like, but you know, this is Vegas, like everything's open late, and I would go grocery shopping at midnight and go to the gym. No one's there. Yeah, I'm definitely a morning person. I wake up at like 6, 7 every day, even on weekends. So like my kids, they're all morning people too. If I'm not awake, they'll wake me up. I wish I could just... I wonder if there's like a way to get snippets. I know there's gotta be a way. Let me look this up. Say videos, great code snippets. Me writing this crap all the time. Yeah, I know things like open late after COVID. Yeah. Yeah, it was weird because Vegas used to be like 24/7. Like most places were open 24/7. And then COVID happened, and nothing's open. There are still, it came back a little bit. A lot of places are open so late, till like 2 a.m., 3 a.m. But everything used to be 24/7. Like nothing closed. Or if it did close, it would close like 4, and they would open back at 6. You know, like a lot of the bigger chains, like obviously like Home Depot, they wouldn't be open 24/7. No point. But like grocery stores would be open 24/7. Walmart would be open 24/7. Shoot, McDonald's I think would be open 24/7. But yeah, all that's changed. But a lot of places are still open late. All those places that were 24/7 are now like open till like 2. Let me see. So open Visual Studio, select continue, blah blah blah. Okay, so enter the title, square root, language hack code. Man, this seems like so much freaking work. I'm like, this is what I'm talking about. Like with Xcode, I can like literally highlight and say create code snippet, and then it would be in like a clipboard that I can just like, or hit a hotkey and say, okay, open up my snippets. Import code snippet. Tools, code snippets. Maybe this is it. Let me see. This is tools, code. Let me add. Can I just... Can I open up one of these locations? Open up this. C sharp. Or just say C sharp. Oops. Yeah. Let's see if it pops up. Oh, it looked like I already had some. My bad. Okay. Oh. Alright. Obviously, I don't know what I'm doing. My code snippets. Import code snippet. Select the import button. Why is this so difficult? So C sharp. My code snippets. Import. So actually I have to like save it? How do I save it then? Insert snippet. Edit. IntelliJ. Insert snippet. Oh, so there's a bunch of snippets here. Okay. I'm gonna write it real quick. So this should be, name, and let me see if I can. To the title. I'm crazy, guys. That's what I get for not reading. These are the like stupid little things I need to learn about Visual Studios. I just need to learn Visual Studios. So it says new file, select XML file, select open, paste the following basic snippet. Code editor, enter the title square root, and the title snippet. And the language code, fill in C#. Add the following code for C#. Save this snippet. Like, this is crazy. Like, this is so much work to create a snippet. But I'll do it. I'll do it. Like, it's crazy that I have to create XML data. So what I'm gonna do is, well, it just says like save anywhere as square root dot snippet. So I'm gonna like, I just do like Notepad. Watch. I have like Notepad, and then title. Just call this Unity Debug. Yeah, Unity Debug, whatever. And then I don't know XML, so I'm just gonna guess here that the code language should be C#, and fill in C# for C#, and then add the following snippet code to the C data sections of the code. Double root equals dim root. But what did they say the title was? Square root. Oh, code ends data section. Okay. And then you gotta go import this to import snippet. What? It's freaking ridiculous. Alright, C#, and then you're just gonna paste it like that. I don't know. Maybe that's gonna work. I don't know. Hit save. Oops. Save. And you can save it to my desktop. Let's save it to blank cat. All this snippets. Code snippets. And this is gonna be called debug. Debug dot snippet. Yeah. Okay. And then type snipped. Then yeah. Okay. Then it says yeah, this is for IntelliSense. Blind Cat's hanging out. This is for Visual Studios, and yeah, it's part of the IntelliSense. So you're able to go through like code snippets. So like I'm constantly typing this, but like what would be ideal is I can like right click, go to snippet, and then insert snippet, and then I can create hotkeys. But like, man, it's crazy. Like, and then I would be like, oh, Unity this, Unity debug, and then it would just, but I mean, it's taking, like, might as well type it. But I'll try it. I'll see if I, and then I think you can assign shortcut keys, and so I can, like, do, I don't know, like, Control UC or UD for, like, Unity debug, and maybe it'll, like, type that code snippet for me. Because I'm always, like, doing this now to get more, or, like, I do, like, debug, log insertion, whatever. But, and I need to learn Visual Studios. Anyways. So, that created that. I don't know if it's going to work, but we'll try it. If it doesn't work, I'm just going to keep working. To import snippets, so Then go to tools, snippet manager, C#, import, okay, import, Mindcat, code snippets, Unity snippet, and it goes to, I guess my code snippets. Okay. Say, okay, so we go like this. Edit, what's it say? Edit IntelliSense. Insert code snippet. Oh, my code snippets in debug. Well, it didn't look like that worked, so I don't know. I don't know H8 or XML. Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, I'm not, like, doing this in Xcode is freaking, it doesn't matter if it's like, it doesn't like try to compile it, like it literally just, you copy and paste in code. It's like Photoshop. It's basically like a, like what Photoshop does, what's it called? Like the history button or things like that. I don't have to worry about it actually freaking working in like another XML language. I just wanted to be able to copy paste. It's a freaking code snippet. But there's like other functional stuff it looks like IntelliSense can do. Like you can just have parameters you can add. I'm sure it's cool if I knew how it worked. Whatever. Yeah, it's like a lot of setup to do these shortcuts. That's one like big drawback I've noticed. I'm not no Visual Studios expert, but always seems to be the problem. That working in Visual Studios, like it works with a ton of languages, but adding your shortcuts, everything like needs a plugin. So it's nice that it's like so open to like all that stuff, but also sucks. So what was I doing? So the fish attack box. This will just do attack. Actually, put that here. And then, but this Unity event, this is one problem we're gonna have. So we want to get the direction. And it says fish current direction. And all this needs is an actual position. That's it, right? Because we'll get the direction and that will go to the movement. But that is something the attack behavior will do. Because this is basically just passing, hey, here's my attack box. This object is the thing that you need to target, and it passes that target over. The state controller will determine, like, can it attack and whatnot. I haven't really thought about that yet. So, like, because that logic should be the state controller. And I really don't want the states to do anything. They shouldn't be doing anything. So now, basically what's going to happen is that we need like a go-to state. Go-to state. Because what we want to have... Hold on, let me undo that. That's any of the issues. So got the attack box. So what this needs to be is it needs a function that can accept a vector 3. But the way these other functions work is, so when you go from state to state, they just need a function, right? So the complete handler says go to state. I think it's the state controller. Hold on. Oh, and then you just drag in that state, right? Perfect. But yeah, go to state. And then this is gonna have like a vector 3. We're just gonna go with it, right? We're gonna say go to state. State. Okay. And the state itself. See, I don't like that either. Because basically what I need is, again, trying to get this. So I was already trying to do this. And I wonder... This is why I skipped the attack. This is why the attack state and the attack behavior is like the last one I did, because I wasn't, and I haven't had a chance to actually think about it. So I don't want to transform. Should be a vector 2, vector 3 position. Oh, I see. Okay, my bad. And that's all this does. So basically the attack box gets triggered. It should communicate to the boss. It says, hey, you need to change your state to the attack state. The attack state will have this like move to behavior, and it takes in this position and then just moves to it, and then it has like a speed. So it's like, instead of attack speed, you say speed multiplier. Right? Because again, like getting away, like making things a little bit more generic. So like it's not a fish attack, it's just like a move to behavior. It takes the enemy and goes to a target position. That's it. Because that's all it does, right? And then on, you know, completion, when it's done that, then it goes back. It's like, okay, what do you need to do next? It goes back to another state. But again, like you can use these behaviors outside of a state machine. So if you ever wanted to do like a move to, and it would have like, again, the trigger box, and it says, hey, just go to the move to. Doesn't have to communicate it to a state machine. It could communicate directly to this move to behavior. This also makes it so that other traps and things like that can just behave on their own without a state machine. Let me see. But my issue is like, okay, so keep referencing my on start and so really all this should be is a private and then we say correction and then we use a speed multiplier. So on start, this is what it does. Because everything happens on the start function. I'm still working through a lot of stuff here, so that it's more. So it is like very flexible between using a state controller and not using a state controller. Yeah, hold on. Since I just need something done. I don't like this, but I think it'll work. Is so the attack behavior. So it's taking two functions. Or two unity events. An attack call and then an attack. Like the position set. It's probably not the best way to do it. Maybe it is, I don't know. What do I know? Let's say target position. And what this does is that. But then we have the attack call itself. we'll say for the attack cost of second. And then this one is the I don't like this. Maybe this will also like keep the state controller out of the way, which is what I want to. Sorry guys, I'm just like rambling to myself, trying to get these ideas out. Which makes sense, right? We do not want to be dependent or be passing data through the state controller. I don't think that's the right approach. So keeping everything away from state, keeping like data, like get it away from the state controller, getting it away from the states. State controller and state should just handle like moving between states. So what this means is that here it has two so the state one will be the state controller, and this goes to the state, which will be the attack state. I haven't updated that yet. Which is this one? Yep. So this one will be the move to. Okay. It's gonna go to the attack box state, and then this one will actually go to its the attack box state itself, go to move to, and then it's gonna update its position, which maybe that's not public. Does it need to be vector 2, move 2, well, and ideally, I guess this would go to this charge state first, but yeah, it should go to the charge state, but whatever. And then, but after the attack state, it will go to the go to state controller, state. It will go to the control state. It can never go to the attack state from the bash state, so it will always go back to the patrol state. So when it's bashing, it'll never attack these positions. Let's see. Bash state will go to patrol state will go to bash state, And all this works. It works nice. I like it. I still don't like having like all these things here, but it is what it is. I'd rather things be like open, exposed like this, and the only way to do this is, as far as I know, is to have game objects. So I need to update this too. This is gonna be fixed, cleaned up. But yeah, going back to this move to state, that function is not showing up. I wonder, let me make this a vector 3. It should show up. Make sure there's no errors. And then move to, yeah, it's public. I don't think I have to make it serialized. Let me try it again. Let me save it. Save the scene, close it. Tap box here. And I say I want to call this move to, here it is. Move to position. And that's it, right? It says, hey, I'm going to invoke this Unity event. I'm going to pass this position to it. This is the function I'm calling, right? And that's it. That should work. Update this guy. So this attack's gone, right? We don't do this no more. I need to look into the force multiplier there. That goes into the attack behavior and everything, so. But now, so if you see this attack box, we say speed multiplier is 10. Go hit here. Go down. So see, that fish doesn't move anymore. Let me see if I can. So he should attack me, maybe. Let me see if he'll attack me. I don't know if it's not triggering. Okay, let me see. Wait, hide all these debugs too. That's like the other freaking thing I want to do. Shortcut to, like, again, more code snippets. Say, hey, if debug, show debugs. So this one. We update the position, we call the attack state. And it should just do it. Oh, that's why. Because I have to add the attacks. I have to add the states here, so it doesn't know like to go to that state. There we go. That should do it. Yeah, Twitch too, so I know when ads are playing. Okay. Oh, there it goes. So it should go back. That was super fast. Okay, so it's stuck there. Not sure why it's stuck, but it is stuck in the attack box. So attack box should go back to the patrol state. Move to and it should just reset it. Wonder. Oh, you know what? Fish attack. There's nothing that actually says like the distance, like that it's actually made it. Like it's not calling the completion. Duh. So if is enabled. Mm. This one will be if I want to know the distance between what position. I need to save position 2. Spell distance. Then we call eight. Move to on start, blah blah blah. So on complete. We'll actually like make it go to the next state. That's what I was missing. It's my fault. Like the damage amount. This is some other stuff I gotta go through for the attack states. Because all I'm doing now is like actually moving to that position. Maybe that's the difference between like the move to and the attack. Because maybe I do want like the fish attack to do something, right? Should have like a force multiplier and such. Like maybe the move to, it doesn't do that, right? True. Okay. I'll come back to that attack soon. So I think that's what I might move towards. But right now for the move 2, distance threshold, that should do it. Go and try to get in little bubbles here. Oops, I went. Yeah. Oops. Ah, there you go. And it should return. Okay. Ah. Go to state. And then where am I? What the heck? It's like, why did I get hit like that? Well, something happened there, so it's just... attack, patrol, and then went to attack, and then fish attack, fish attack. So I did not. Oh, this goes into the... Oh, I forgot. I forgot to set. So I just well, it has attack is true. So it shouldn't attack again. Let me see if it's hitting that complete. Oops, sorry. What's wrong? Yeah, fingerprint. And then should hit complete. Should disable the function. That should trigger the next attack box to go to the patrol state. And it should just start over. I haven't done any of the continuous pauses for states. Let me see. I'll take a quick break in a little bit. Let me clear that. case it gets stuck there. There you go. Where'd my fish go? Oh, there I am. What the heck? Am I stuck there? There we go. I don't know why I'm like bouncing off here. That's so funny. Let me see what happened. So I go to the attack box, and then... So the threshold needs to be like 14, it looks like. But where's the position? Maybe I need to make that all serialized too. This should be like right here. Well, that's 18 or 12, negative 12, roughly. Oh my goodness, I didn't, I wonder it's not working. I forgot to freaking apply it. Let's see the overrides. Okay, so attack box 2. So the attack call should be state controller. And go to the attack box state. Go to state. Okay, and then update position should be the attack box. Move to position. Move to position. I don't know why it says no function. Should not say that. Okay, there's this. So again, state controller. Let's go to state. It's so weird that it says state. Like, are you trying to use some? I wonder if Unity is using some AI. So that's gonna be the attack box state. I'm going to state, and then the update position will be the attack box. Move to position, and then okay, so that's why that's not working. Why it's not working for the other two positions. And then the attack threshold, distance threshold is here. And let's increase that to like, I guess 15. And then I'm gonna take a quick break. Let me play it real quick, see if that works. I'm gonna check on the kids, and then I'll be right back. So the state, yeah, it would be like 15, right? It would be. So it says position is 0, 0, 0. And it's current status of attack box. So I wonder if where am I? Yep, killed itself. Okay. So I need to work on its. It's probably gonna help too. It's the attack box multiplier needs to go down to like 2. I'll be right back. Be right back. Hold on. think what we need to do too, I think this will help it because it's just going right. I actually know on complete it should just stop. Hold on, guys. I'm working. I'll be back. I'll be out in a little bit. Okay. 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 Hold on. Okay. Be good. That should work better. Test it out real quick and then I'll check in my work. So I'm gonna go here and it should hit me. And then go away. And it should. Oh, and it did. That doesn't seem to be working exactly perfect. I have to make the distance threshold. Like, let me make it like 20. It really should just be like the size of this guy. And it's just scaled to 7. Hard to tell because I think we gotta fix his artwork. And then let me increase the speed a little bit to like 3. Anyway, how's that distance 20? Oh, okay. Yep. So I mean It hurts. Does it a distance threshold thing? Like hitting it and then something happening. I mean, hey, get down. Get down. Ezran, get down. Make this like. What happened? Okay. And then. Is that better? What happened? What? You were the one that got hurt?
No.
Yeah, that's true. I didn't do it.
Yeah, good. I too.
Like that? Is that okay?
No. Here.
Yeah. No, don't touch.
This.
No, you don't touch.
Oh, yeah. Touch. Mama. Touch. Doing this. Once.
Okay, I'm gonna pause it.
Once.
Why is target position 0, 0, 0? I mean, am I actually at 0, 0, 0? No. Oh, no, don't even think about it. Get down.
No,
I'm gonna whoop your butt.
no,
Yeah, I am.
no. 一块去，Mario。
No. Don't do that.
Don't do that.
Yeah, we don't do that.
Don't do that. Quiet. Quiet.
No. Hey, what's up, Ace Rock? Ace Rook? My bad. Ace Rook. I know a little bit of website coding. What's your question? It's been a long time. It's been like 8 years. But I know some HTML, CSS. I
Hello.
might be able to answer your question. I have built websites before, so I'm building my current one, but use a lot of widgets these days because it's just faster. Can I have that?
Okay.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Get down.
No.
Okay. Alright, so that's position here. So that's 16. Where's 0, 0?
How are you?
0, 0. And this one's
People.
0.
Show it.
Yeah, that's 0, 0. Okay.
C.
Yeah. What are you doing? Hey, Joel. Maybe this is just wrong. I mean, it looks like it's going to the correct place, so whatever. What? Bobby Berry. But Ace Rook, feel free to drop a follow. Check out my other links. And check out. This game is Koisugi. I thought I had a link for it. Oh, I spelled it wrong, my bad. Or maybe I don't have a link. Thought I did. But we have a Steam page. Feel free to wishlist the game. Looks like that is working. But I don't know how that's distance is 16. Okay, let me get this code. Target position serialized. It is. And then who is setting? Oh, I never set it. That would help. No wonder it's 0, 0. Correction. Yeah. Distance. Thank you. Oh, now the fifth. Oh, I see. I know what it's. I see what I did. But I wasn't setting the target position. Now it's actually gonna be like. Now it's actually gonna be correct. Terrible. So here. Get out of my way. Oh, what? Cinematic enemy. Oh. There's no fake controller anymore. Okay. So, got like 10 minutes. So he's working. That's good. He changed this distance to 1. And go ahead and update. That's then. Let's update this guy. Remove that. Remove the timer. Behavior's good. Waypoint state is good. So now we need to get in the empty with the state controller. Create to new state. Oh, waypoint state. Yeah, that's fine. It's called state. Critical. Thank you. Its behavior is it's just it doesn't need that. I don't think we need this anymore. Ray vision. I don't think it needs this. No, that's okay. State controller. Get our state. Our waypoint state. And start that state. Now loop that. And then that's it. And then let's go clean up this code a little bit. Let's see, do we need the state controller anymore? I don't think so. Oh, I do state controller. It won't. We can go to send state. I wonder if this is going to cause issues. Because it's gonna say it's gonna have to go to the state. Oh, it's just gonna be always true because the state does not equal current state. And current state is not dead. So it's gonna ask if it can go to the stun state. And so it's always gonna be true, I guess. I guess that's gonna be okay. It does mean that I need to keep that state controller. In the fish behavior, at least for now. Let's see, do I use fingerprint wrap anywhere? Nope. Okay. That. My direction, do I use that? I think so. I think that's why it's left. Original color, do I use that? Nope. That. My material. That's for damage. Renderer. Damage and object.
Oh, no. Yeah. Oh. No.
Okay, let me test it real quick and then I gotta jump off. Make sure that this guy works. Should work. Hey, don't be touching that.
Mm-mm.
What do you mean?
Here.
Should fit there. There's some of them. Oh, because it doesn't have a stick.
Daddy.
I got it. I forgot to have a stick controller here.
Quiet.
And it should be fine. Let's-
Oh, okay, quiet.
One more time.
Wait, quiet.
Alright, you guys ready to go or what?
Huh?
You guys ready to go or what? Ready to leave? Okay.
No.
What do you mean no? We gotta go. Okay, so you should get it. And then blip dead. And then, oh my
Okay.
goodness, what happened? Okay. Alright, let me save. Catch everyone later. You can? You got it. Go. You ready, dude? Okay.